Hello and welcome to this e-learning video. In this video, I'll give you a brief checklist to help you when completing customs declarations in line with the new import rules introduced on the 1st of January 2022. My name's Malcolm Gresty. I'm Director of Trade and Investment Services with Innovas, a UK-based consultancy company. I refer to a number of websites in this video, and there are links to them in the summary below. Once you click through, you'll find a range of helpful resources. In this video, I'll tell you about what customs declarations are, how to prepare to submit a declaration, how to assign your goods with customs master data, including commodity codes, and finally, how to hire a person or business to deal with all this for you. New rules brought in on the 1st of January mean you must now meet full customs requirements when importing goods from the EU. There are also new rules in relation to pre-notifying certain sanitary and phytosanitary goods, such as meat or plants, and rules of origin. However, in this video, we will be focusing on customs declarations. Simply speaking, when importing goods from the EU to Great Britain, you must complete customs declarations at the time you, your courier or freight forwarder bring the goods into the country. Failure to do so may mean you face delays in the importing process. It is worth noting that the rule change does not yet apply for goods moving from the island of Ireland to Great Britain. A customs declaration is a legal document that provides details of goods that are being imported or exported. Under the new customs rules, you now need to lodge a declaration with HMRC whenever you're importing goods from the EU to Great Britain or exporting goods from Great Britain to the EU. However, before you can start submitting customs declarations, your business must set up a few things first. To trade goods between Great Britain and the EU, you'll need to set up what is called an Economic Operators Registration and Identification Number, or EORI number. This is a common reference number that's valid throughout the world and must be used whenever you have dealings with customs authorities in any of the EU member states. When applying for an EORI number, you will need a unique taxpayer's reference, or UTR. If you don't know your UTR, you can find it using the tool on the .gov.uk website. Your business start date and your standard industrial classification, or SIC code. You can find these in the company's house register. Your government gateway, user ID and password. If you're VAT registered, you'll need to provide your VAT number and effective date of registration. You can find these on your VAT registration certificate. If you're an individual or a sole trader, you also need to provide your national insurance number. When it comes to paying customs or excise duty and import VAT, you have options. Rather than paying duty at the border, you might choose to defer it using a deferment account. This benefits your cash flow, as HMRC doesn't charge you the duty until the 15th day of the month after you've imported your goods. The .gov.uk website has more details on setting up and using a deferment account. Whenever you move goods, you need to assign certain master data to them. The data you assign to your goods may affect how much customs or excise duty you need to pay. Custom master data includes commodity codes. These are used worldwide to classify goods that are imported or exported. Having the correct code helps make sure you're keeping to customs rules and paying the right taxes and duties. Use the trade tariff tool on the .gov.uk website to help classify your goods and make sure you pay the right customs duty and import VAT. To use the tool, you'll need to know certain details about your product. This may include the materials and production methods used to make it and the way it's packaged. Your business must submit a full customs declaration at the time of import, unless you are approved to make simplified declarations through the simplified customs declaration process. You must have a duty deferment account before you'll be authorised for simplified procedures, and you need to have a good customs compliance record. The .gov.uk website has guidance you can follow to find out whether you'll be eligible to use the simplified customs declaration process. You may want to get someone else to deal with customs for you. This might be a freight forwarder, a customs agent, or a fast parcel operator. The .gov.uk website explains how to use freight forwarders and parcel operators and provides a useful list of customs agents. To work with a third party, you'll still need to provide the EORI number and information about the goods you're importing into Great Britain. Let's recap what we have covered today: what you need to prepare to submit customs declarations, how to assign customs master data to your goods and submit pre-notifications, and how to hire a person or business to deal with customs for you.